Badenoch Community College has been serving the education needs of Upper Peninsula residents for over 45 years. When it opened its doors in 1963, Bay College had just one small campus located in Escanaba that served just 500 students. There was a general nursing program, a business program, and coursework so that students who chose to could stay at home and complete their general prerequisites for 2 years before heading off to a 4-year institution.
My family didn't have a lot of money, and the community college that was going to be local was just the most obvious inducement for me to go here. Cost of tuition was a huge factor, and the expenses of living away from home. So basically I had 2 years I could live at home and save up for the rest of it.
Bay is a wonderful place to start. You can get your basics, you can get extra help if you need it. It's a great opportunity for students who aren't ready to go away.
Since those early days, the Bay College service area has grown to include a satellite campus in Manistee and a new permanent campus located in Iron Mountain.
Having Bay West right here in a real campus creates an ambiance of a true university setting, so people don't feel as though they're going to someplace just to take classes. They can actually be proud.
Today, Bay College serves over 2,200 students in the Upper Peninsula. Both traditional full and part-time students, as well as non-traditional students, adult learners, seniors, and those community members who wish to pursue continuing education for their existing jobs or to train for new careers.
It's a competitive world out there right now, and you have to keep learning. It's continuous. You continually have to come back to school, even in your 30s and 40s.
But where does the funding come from that is required to run a community education program on the scale of what is offered at Bay College? Tuition, state aid, and local property tax funds provide basic operational support. However, those revenues have diminished over the years, and today, the college is more dependent than ever on private contributions for capital improvements, cultural enhancements, and even scholarships for those who otherwise would not be able to afford to further their education. That is where corporate and individual sponsors can help. By making a donation to the Badenoch Community College Foundation.
If someone either passes away or if they want to just donate, they'll contact us. They can structure that scholarship any way they want. They can, if they want it strictly for nursing, if they want it strictly for math, or just in general, you know, they can structure it any way they'd like it.
I mean, there's people out there at that level that want to come to school and want to learn, but don't have the funding. And there's people out there with funds that say, is there a need? Yeah, there is a need.
The mission of Bay College is to ensure student success by providing accessible, high-quality, and relevant learning opportunities, strengthen workforce development, and foster community collaboration and the development of community partnerships. Since 1972, the Badenoch Community College Foundation has existed to support that mission.
And I think that's a very meaningful role to support that for other people that maybe can't afford to go to a 4-year school. The single moms who have no opportunity to go to school, the parents with children who want to go a little bit further, the professionals who have a full-time job that want to get that 4-year degree.
People want to see our community grow. Getting involved with this would be fantastic. You know, there's monies needed, and we can direct them in the right direction.
To learn more about how you or your organization can make a charitable contribution to support academic scholarships, building endowments, or program development at Bay College, contact the Foundation's Executive Director at 906-786-5802 or go to www.baycollege.edu for more information.
An investment in Bay College is an investment in our community.